Hey. You prayed for the moment to be on that Afrobeat song. You prayed for this, my guy. I'm on WizKid low have Justin Bieber, man. Oh, bro, he's bodying it. He's bodying it. Before we go right into the video, a quick word from today's sponsors, Lemonade Finance. As a Nigerian living in Canada, I've been in search and all over the place for a reliable and consistent way to send money and receive money as well. And I honestly believe I found my home with Lemonade Finance. Lemonade Finance is a cross-border payment platform tailor-made for Africans, not just in Africa, but everywhere, home or abroad. And one thing I love about them, all transactions are free. The recipient receives the money within minutes. It's very, very quick. And the rates are honestly very competitive. I scout around to see how competitive their rates are, and trust me, they are. It has a very silky smooth user interface on the app. You can buy airtime and pay bills. You can convert between currencies. And of course, they didn't come empty-handed. With the promo code PWP, Lemonade Finance gives you 10% cash back on your first transaction. So with that being said, definitely check out Lemonade Finance. Feel free to send it to your loved ones, home or abroad. And let's get right back into today's video, okay? Yo, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you're new here, I do a bunch of Afropop, Afrobeats reviews, albums as well, so definitely tap in to this channel. All right, today is a special day, interesting moment. I'm hoping it's a turning point for not just WizKid, not just Tems, for the whole Afrobeats platform. I think this is very it's a huge make or break moment, honestly. I think Justin Bieber holds a lot of potential that this song could definitely be taken to a level that you could never even see just off of a Made in Lagos release. I think it's smart of the WizKid team, of the RCA team, to build upon the momentum that the song already has, and we've seen Justin Bieber explore this sound in numerous occasions. We've seen him, one notably with Burna Boy, and one with the Freedom record that we probably are seeing all these videos circulating. He had dropped that song like a couple months back. That song was in a project that felt like a passion project. It was a gospel inspired project, but it was singing in an Afrobeat song, and I absolutely love that song. I absolutely love the way he flowed on it, and he seems like very much like someone that can handle this kind of beats well. It doesn't really strike me as an artist that would come in there and be intrusive to the song. It doesn't strike me as an artist that would take the essence away from the song, no pun intended. But I think it would definitely make for a great collaboration. And if you'd like to see me discuss the other dynamics behind this collaboration and have those debates, quote unquote, with other people that oppose this particular feature, go in the link in the description. I have my IG live that I posted. It's on YouTube already, so go check it out if you'd like to see more discussion about the song. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's go right into it. I'm excited, man. Let's go. Let's see. Okay? Starts with Wiz. Let's go. Song of the summer, isn't it? Come on. Okay, they kind of chopped her verse there. Alright. Straight into the chorus, let's go. Alright, Wiz taking a second. Okay. Oh shit, let's go. Hey. Let's chill. I won't lie. The texture of his voice, at first I was like, wait, is this Tems? And I remember that it was Justin Bieber. Let's enter that verse again. The way he transitioned into that verse, I literally thought it was Tems, man. I'm not gonna lie. It sounded exactly like a similar texture with his voice, you know what I mean? Hey. You prayed for the moment to be on that Afrobeat song. You prayed for this, my guy. Hey, let's go. I'm on WizKid low have Justin Bieber, man. Hey. Hey. Let me show you what it's gonna be. You don't need no other body. Yo! Oh, bro, his body in it! His body in it! What? Tems, bring Tems back, I beg. Justin Bieber. I was like, thank God they brought Tems real quick because my guy was actually stealing it. Bro, Justin Bieber, relax. Yo, he actually killed that hook. He killed the hook. Nah, they brought Tems for her own verse. I'm here for the give Tems that verse, I beg. Nah, that was hard. That was hard. That was hard from JB, man. Nah, that was dope. That was dope. That was dope. Hey, are we gonna get it back and forth? Let's go. Okay, give him. Oh no, they actually lifted the song, man. JB came back. Oh, bro. He's eating this up. Nah, I can see the accent change. You know what I mean? A lot of people talking about his accent on the Freedom record. I can see how he's emulating the accent and blending. Nah, this guy is too. Nah, bro. Nah, I can't. I don't know. Are we okay with this? Nah, I'm questioning. Are we okay with this? Because this man is eating this song up. I'm frightened. Nah. They completed the song, man. Nah, they took it to. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Hey yo. Justin Bieber blessed the song. He actually did. This was a dope organic feel on it. It didn't feel too engineered. It didn't feel too engineered. He absolutely blended right into the song. Bro, he's capable of it. I've been saying that. I definitely know, like, JB from his track record, especially hearing the song like Freedom. He had his collaboration with Burner as well. Obviously that wasn't too Afrobeats leaning as it was, but first my guy got a lot of airtime. He stretched this song. I think the original is, how many minutes is the original, Seth? I think the original is 4 minutes 8 seconds, but this is now 4 minutes 23 seconds. So they gave him like an extra, like, yeah, I guess it was okay. It's 15 seconds extra. It wasn't too lengthy. He didn't stretch it too much more than what we had heard already. But my guy, he bodied this song. Absolutely bodied it. I knew he was gonna blend in, but he blended the fucking. Do you know what I mean? As a record, as a particular song, he built upon the energy. There wasn't too much that was tilted away. They didn't shake too much away from it. I love it. Like, they don't give us another like, already there was a lot of resistance towards this, but I think this makes for a good song. Now, as far as this song can go, I think it can even go further than I expect, man. I'm expecting this to blossom and do massive impact across the globe. Like, this one should move. This one absolutely should move. I was definitely surprised by Justin Bieber's delivery here. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it, man. I'm curious what you guys think. Before you go, definitely tap into this channel. I have my other channel where I host interviews and I also talk on music topics like this and hearing why this particular feature makes sense. Yeah, go check the channel like I mentioned. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.